Something big is happening at DJI, and they haven't said a single word officially. But silence doesn't stop the internet. New images, retail listings, and bundle leaks are everywhere, all pointing to a drone people are calling the DJI Avata 360. And while the hype is real, there's a serious trap early buyers need to avoid. Let's be clear first. DJI has not officially announced the Avata 360. No press release, no teaser, no product page, but recent leaks go beyond rumors. We're seeing what looks like final retail packaging, bundle images, and even pre-order listings, which usually means a launch is getting close. The most interesting part isn't just the drone, it's how DJI plans to sell it. Leaks suggest multiple bundle options, which is unusual for an FPV launch. Instead of forcing everyone into one expensive kit, DJI appears to be targeting different types of pilots, beginners, existing DJI users, and power creators. That alone tells us DJI is taking this product very seriously. One leaked bundle is a drone-only package. No goggles, no controller, no case. This is huge. It suggests the Avata 360 may be compatible with existing DJI FPV goggles and controllers, allowing experienced pilots to upgrade without rebuying everything. For longtime DJI users, this could mean a much lower entry cost. For new pilots, leaks show a ready-to-fly combo, drone, goggles, motion controller, and multiple batteries. This is clearly designed for people with zero FPV experience. The motion controller lowers the learning curve dramatically. You unbox it, charge it, and fly. There's also a Fly More style bundle, likely aimed at creators, with extra batteries, a charging hub, spare props, and a premium carrying case. One strange detail: none of the leaked bundles show DJI's traditional RC-style controller. That suggests DJI may sell it separately, pushing a modular system where you choose how you want to fly. Good for flexibility, but it could increase the total cost if you want full manual control. Now here's the danger. A US-based retailer has already started accepting pre-orders for the Avata 360, despite DJI saying nothing publicly. That's a red flag. These units could be gray market imports, pre-release hardware, or region-locked models. Warranty support may be denied. DJI Care Refresh may not work. Software may be unfinished or incompatible. And worst of all, the price. Some listings are asking nearly double what leaks suggest the official price will be. The DJI Avata 360 looks extremely promising, if you wait. History shows DJI launches follow leaks very quickly. When the official release happens, you'll get proper pricing, full warranty, and stable software. Do not rush. Let DJI make the first move. If you want real updates the moment this becomes official, subscribe and stay tuned.